ads are funny this year. Look at this ad right here. Oh, that one's not cool. There's some of them are cool though. There's so much shooting. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're going this way away from the shooting. And of course there's shooting over there. Okay, let's kill them. Let's kill them.
Wait,
They're gonna get
wait.
Marge and they're gonna be low. They're like over there.
Okay, alright. Oh yeah, I see them, I see them.
They're fighting Marge right now. I got 18 on him. They just got the medal though.
Wait, alright.
Alright, we're cooked. Chow them, chow them, chow them.
Why?
Get them.
Why?
Get them.
We're cooked. Oh shoot.
I cracked him, I cracked him. I cracked the Homer Simpson. Oh, we're cooked. Oh my gosh, he's so sweaty. Okay, he's cracked, he's cracked. Why does he keep healing? Alright, he's cracked, he's cracked, he's cracked.
16 white, 16 white. Oh frick.
Nice, 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 nice.
Oh,
Get the other guy.
no. I'm gonna die.
Here, chug.
Wait, watch out. Yes. Alright. Watch out, he's here. Oh no, I just got
Crap,
close.
bro. We might die here. No! Yes! He's cracked. I need one more good shot. Oh! Come on, bro.
Okay, I killed one man.
Yes! Let's go!
Yes!
Oh,
Rebuild me. Or res
Do you
me.
see their loot, bro? Do you see
No,
their
I
loot?
don't. Res me quickly.
Where are you?
I'm right here.
Oh my gosh, bro, we just cooked. Let's go. I got you.
Yes, sir.
I have a med kit. Do you need one?
No, I have one.
Let's
But can you
go.
also
That was amazing,
splash?
bro. Did you see my clutch?
No, but I heard it. All right, can you splash?
I'll wait until you do the
Actually,
med
I'll
kit.
splash.
Hold on, I might as well use this. Bro, we just clutched up right there.
Yeah. Oh, frick.
Splash?
I don't want that. Yeah, splash. Another.
That's good enough for now.
Yeah, that's good enough. Not the attack.
No, I'm good. I have
also-
a
I
mythic
also
and I
got-
have a legendary.
Oh, wow. Okay, so I can take this.
Yeah, 100%. Oh, kids.
Dang, shots. Where are they?
Yeah, they're good, they're good.
Oh, there they are.
Are they
They're
good?
just on the hill. I'm not sure.
Yeah, they're good.
Oh, frick. Oh, they are definitely good. Oh my gosh. He just lasered
Bro,
me.
they keep shooting with like suppressed pistols. I need them to get closer. I don't have any far range weapons.
I'm cracked.
I have chugs for you. Here, come right here. Come
Oh,
here.
no.
They have the.
I'm
Oh
right
crap,
here.
we're cooked. They have the slingshot. Last one. That's my last one.
Should we run?
Yeah, run. Run this way. Now. Oh my gosh, they're sniping right now. Go.
Wait, I'm in the bush.
Get out of the bush.
Why?
Bro,
They don't
just
know
run.
where
The
I am.
storm is gonna come anyways.
Fine.
Plus, we're gonna get heals and stuff over here. We can just dodge them till later and hopefully they die by somebody. Oh my gosh, don't be the thing I think it is. Don't be the thing I think it is.
What?
Oh, I thought it was a purple striker. Oh. Here, take this. Come here. Okay, let's get out of here. We kind of clutched up there, let's be honest. Well, I kind of
Yeah.
clutched up there. Your shot on the Homer guy was pretty good, though.
Yeah.
I couldn't even believe that I killed that guy. That was kind of crazy.
Yeah. I don't know. Oh, no. I'm getting shot.
Okay, I'm
Okay,
coming,
the
I'm
panic,
coming, I'm coming.
The panic build is crazy.
I'm coming.
I'm panic building way too much, bro.
Yeah, just run this way, just run this way. We can get away from
That's
them.
the only thing I can do, bro.
Do you want high
The
ground,
only
or do
thing
you want to just keep going low?
we should probably get high ground. Oh, no, they're shooting. Yeah, we have high ground.
I see them, I see them.
Good.
They're right there, they're right there.
Mark them.
They're in that direction. Oh!
Oh my gosh.
I'm getting out of here. Go down, go down, go down. Go down. Yeah, run. They're gonna get, oh, now they're above us. Great. They're gonna chase us. They're gonna
There are
chase us.
people over here. There's
It's
a
better
person
to
right
get,
here.
like, it's better for somebody to third party at least. Because then they might kill them instead. Here, get this. Take the shield potion.
Okay.
Take the shield potion first. No.
Oh, okay, bro.
10 times.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Alright, they finished me.
Dang it, bro. Alright. The intro. I love the intro.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Oh. We just said pretty cool at the same exact time. Alright, wait, or you can just jump.
Yeah.
The nuclear power plant, if you actually go into the thing, it's actually pretty cool. You see the big two tubes? For some reason, I can't find Homer's office, though. I just can't.
See, I had a better drop than you.
Did you, though? How do you know I wasn't going for this window right here?
How do you know I wasn't going for this house right here?
I don't know.
If I get minis out of this chest, I'm gonna crash out.
Why? What's wrong with minis?
Okay, that's good, because I just popped a big pot.
Oh. If we go on that.
Yeah, we kind of are.
Do you see what I see right now?
No.
Don't right up it.
What?
What is this?
I'm gonna right up. What? What?
Bro, it's literally invisible.
It's invisible.
It's invisible. It's literally invisible. What?
It's invisible.
Well, that's kind of crazy. I did not expect that.
Yeah.
Bro, these people are gonna crash out if I destroy their building.
No, why would you get in the bush? Oh my gosh, bro.
Is that thing non-destroyable? What the heck?
What?
Oh, gosh,
What
the
thing?
thing just wouldn't destroy
What?
the metal.
Oh, that's not nice. Oh, look at the supply crate.
Should we
They're gonna
get it?
that. No, they're gonna get it.
Should we get it?
No,
We should get it. We
they're
should
gonna
get it.
get it. No, you're dumb, bro.
Wait,
They're
do you have
gonna
any
get it.
assault rifle ammo? AR?
I have.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah.
I need a few,
do.
bro. I have none. I totally have none.
Yeah, you have more. Okay, let's get in this bush. This bush.
Guys, we're over here. Should I shoot in the sky?
No. Wait,
Ooh,
no one's getting.
Grab that. It electrocutes people
Okay.
and does damage, if I'm correct. Ooh, they're building. I saw their build.
Do you see them?
No.
I think they left.
Okay, let's get the supply drop.
They might just be waiting for us.
They would have grabbed the supply drop by now.
They probably would have.
Ooh! Ooh!
Okay. I was about to say there was nothing good and then I saw that, but okay. I guess I'll take this. Alright. Alright, here we go. I still only have a...
Do you have any shotgun
suppressed
ammo? I don't have any.
I do, yeah. And I'll give it to you because I don't have a shotgun besides one that I don't like.
Oh, 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 oh. Thank you.
Guys, I have 1 ammo. I'm so good.
Oh, this is just for hiding? Bro, what is the point of this?
Yeah, there's a bunch just for hiding. Whoa, wait. Go back in, go back in. Go back in. I want to see, what if I go in too? Okay, if we're just both in here. That's great.
Whoa. I'm selling.
No, why would you break it? Don't you dare break my, whatever this is, porta potty.
Give me 1 sec.
Why?
Wait.
What?
Wait.
What?
Nothing. I don't even know.
What? What?
Hold on, I'm doing something.
He's doing his calculations. Guys, what is he doing? Guys, what is he doing? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
And that's what happens when you don't pay attention, folks. Res.
What were you even doing?
I was asking Google something. And we're cooked.
Oh my, they just one pumped me. Attack can one pump you?
Yeah, they're kind of cooked.
I had full health. Attack can one pump you?
Yeah. Okay, is that it? Do you want that to end the video? Let's go, I'm gold! I'm
Bro,
gold!
I have 6-7%. I have 6-7%. I'm bronze 6-7%. Bronze 6-7%.
Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. Subscribe to Shark Slags Gaming and subscribe to Eclipse RL. I appreciate you for watching and taking your time to watch our video. Thank you so much and peace out.